On a scorching summer afternoon in Beverly Hills, 22-year-old billionaire heiress Isabella Harper navigated her custom Lamborghini along the palm-lined streets of Sunset Boulevard. The city shimmered under the relentless sun, and the roar of exotic cars filled the boulevards. She had meticulously planned her route to the charity gala hosted by one of the city's most prestigious foundations, eager to make a dazzling entrance. Isabella had always carried herself with poise and precision, yet today the unthinkable happened. As she accelerated past a row of high-end boutiques, the engine coughed violently, sputtered, and finally died, leaving her stranded and flustered in the sweltering heat. Isabella's frustration grew as the realization set in she would be late for the gala, a highly anticipated social event. The crowd's whispers and glances of passing pedestrians only intensified her anxiety. She exhaled sharply, scanning the boulevard for any possible help, noticing the glimmer of her car's exotic paint, reflecting the California sunlight. Then her eyes caught sight of something unexpected, a small, unassuming auto repair shop tucked discreetly between luxury storefronts, its faded sign and plain exterior stood in stark contrast to the extravagance surrounding it, yet something drew her toward it, a subtle sense of curiosity and hope. Stepping out of the Lamborghini, Isabella's heels clicked against the pavement. She approached the shop's entrance cautiously, the city's heat pressing down upon her. Pushing open the door, she was met with the scent of engine oil and worn metal. Behind the counter, a young man in grease-stained overalls wiped his hands on a rag. He looked up, and in that moment recognition struck both of them. Alex, 23, had been her high school classmate, the quiet, unassuming boy she barely noticed in school. Yet here he was, running his own garage, exuding confidence and skill. Isabella's breath caught, a mixture of surprise and curiosity stirring in her chest. "Can you fix it?" she asked hesitantly, her voice carrying a blend of uncertainty and hope. Alex studied the car with keen eyes, then glanced at her with a modest smile. "Let's see what we can do," he replied calmly. His tone was steady, unpretentious, yet there was a hint of quiet pride in the way he spoke. Isabella felt a flicker of relief, realizing that this encounter might turn her disastrous afternoon into something unexpectedly remarkable. She followed him outside to where the Lamborghini sat, engine silent and ominous, its glossy red paint gleaming in the late afternoon sun. Alex crouched by the front, inspecting the engine with meticulous care. He moved with practiced precision, his hands steady as he tested various components, adjusted connections, and examined the pistons. Isabella watched intently, noting the contrast between his quiet determination and the chaos she felt inside. Hours passed as Alex worked, occasionally muttering technical observations under his breath, his focus unwavering. The small garage became a hive of activity. The faint hum of tools, the occasional spark from a welder, and the soft clink of metal created an oddly comforting rhythm. Isabella's initial impatience softened, replaced by a fascination with his skill. During a brief pause, Alex wiped his brow and looked up at Isabella. She was seated nearby, her expression a mixture of awe and curiosity. "You've really changed since high school," she remarked, a hint of warmth in her voice. Alex chuckled softly, shaking his head. "Some things never change," he said, returning to his work. She smiled, realizing that this quiet mechanic, once overlooked by her teenage self, possessed a remarkable talent that no one in her high society circle could replicate. It was humbling and inspiring all at once, reminding her that true skill often comes from unexpected places. As the sun dipped lower in the sky, the Lamborghini remained silent, yet Alex's methodical adjustments seemed to breathe life back into the machine. He tightened screws, tested wiring, and fine-tuned the engine's delicate balance. Isabella's anticipation grew with each passing moment. Her anxiety mingled with admiration. She could feel the engine's potential returning, the mechanical heart of the car responding to his expert touch. The hours stretched, but time seemed irrelevant. In this small garage, amidst grease and tools, a transformation was occurring, not just for the Lamborghini, but for the two people connected by past and present. Finally, as evening approached, Alex stepped back and gave a satisfied nod. Isabella's heart pounded as he handed her the keys. "Try it," he said simply. She climbed into the driver's seat, her fingers trembling slightly as she gripped the steering wheel. With a turn of the key, the engine roared to life, a deep, powerful growl that reverberated through the garage and into the open streets. Isabella's eyes widened, her jaw dropping in disbelief. The impossible had been achieved by someone she never expected, a quiet mechanic who had proven his brilliance through patience, skill, and determination. Isabella stepped out of the car, a mix of exhilaration and respect washing over her. I can't believe it," she stammered, turning to Alex with genuine awe. He shrugged modestly, a faint smile tugging at his lips. "It just needed a little attention," he said humbly, masking the pride swelling inside him. In that moment, she realized the true value of his work. Not just fixing a car, but proving that expertise, dedication, and passion could defy expectations. The social hierarchy she had known for years felt suddenly irrelevant, replaced by admiration for raw talent and human ingenuity. By now, a small crowd had gathered outside the shop, drawn by the roar of the engine and the spectacle of a billionaire heiress confronting a seemingly ordinary mechanic. Whispers of astonishment spread as onlookers processed the scene. The contrast between luxury and simplicity was stark. A multi-million-dollar Lamborghini restored by a young man with grease-stained hands. Isabella felt a new sense of humility and respect. She had entered the day, expecting superficial interactions and social pleasantries, but instead she witnessed a rare moment of authentic skill, untainted by wealth or expectation. Alex remained calm despite the attention, focused on ensuring the Lamborghini performed flawlessly. He tested the steering, examined the transmission, and double-checked every component with unwavering precision. Isabella watched, leaning against the car, her admiration deepening. She thought back to high school, recalling how she had overlooked him, never imagining that one day he would possess the talent and determination to perform such a feat. That quiet realization, she found herself reflecting on the unpredictable paths life takes and the hidden potential within. People often dismissed too soon. As twilight descended, the streetlights flickered on, casting long shadows across the boulevard. Isabella finally turned to Alex, gratitude evident in her eyes. "I don't know how to thank you," she said softly. "Seeing it run again, it's more than I could have hoped for." Alex smiled, brushing off the praise. "Just doing my job," he said. But she knew it was more than that. He had restored not just the Lamborghini, but her faith in unexpected talent and the kindness of someone who worked without ego or pretense. The moment was unforgettable, marking a turning point in both their lives. With the Lamborghini humming smoothly beneath her, Isabella prepared to leave, casting a lingering glance at Alex. He had proven something invaluable. Brilliance and humility could coexist. As she drove off, the evening breeze carrying the faint scent of city traffic and warm asphalt, she felt a renewed sense of respect and inspiration. Alex returned to his tools, his satisfaction, quiet but profound. Outside, the fading sunlight illuminated the shop and the polished car, capturing a story of talent, perseverance, and an unlikely reunion of past acquaintances. Isabella reached for her sleek leather wallet, intending to compensate Alex for the miraculous repair. But he gently waved her off. "Consider it a favor for an old friend," he said with modest confidence, his eyes reflecting both humility and pride. She paused, studying his face, realizing that his brilliance was matched by his genuine character. The Lamborghini gleamed under the setting sun, yet the true marvel was the quiet integrity of the young mechanic. Isabella smiled, appreciating that someone could possess such exceptional talent. Without flaunting it, this moment marked the beginning of something neither of them anticipated. Their conversation drifted to high school memories, laughter, breaking the years of silence. Alex recounted mundane stories of cafeteria, mishaps, forgotten homework, and shy glances exchanged in corridors, while Isabella teased him about his quiet demeanor and unassuming ways. Their laughter echoed through the small garage, blending with the faint hum of the freshly repaired Lamborghini. The tension of social hierarchies dissolved, replaced by the warmth of reconnection. For Isabella, this was a rare opportunity to see past the layers of wealth and privilege, discovering the authenticity and passion that had always been hidden in plain sight. Word of the Lamborghini repair spread quickly through her social circle, causing a ripple of astonishment among friends, colleagues, and fellow car enthusiasts. "You had a mechanic fix it?" one of her friends asked incredulously. "Not just any mechanic, an old classmate," Isabella replied, a playful grin tugging at her lips. The story captured imaginations, highlighting a remarkable blend of skill, humility, and serendipity. Social media posts, whispered conversations at elite gatherings, and online forums buzzed with admiration for Alex's expertise. Isabella realized that talent and character could make a far deeper impression than wealth or status alone, reshaping her perception of what truly mattered. Impressed by Alex's skill and humility, Isabella made an unexpected offer. He could maintain her collection of exotic cars, ensuring each vehicle received the meticulous care it deserved. Alex hesitated, aware of the opportunity before him, but cautious of the glitz and glamour he had never sought. Isabella's enthusiasm was contagious, her genuine admiration giving him confidence. The offer symbolized more than a job. It was recognition of talent and potential. As they shook hands, both understood the significance. A young mechanic, previously unnoticed, now held the chance to influence a world of high-end automotive engineering, bridging his modest beginnings with a universe of opportunity. Over the following weeks, Isabella and Alex collaborated closely, sharing ideas and learning from each other's perspectives. They experimented with fine-tuning engines, optimizing performance, and exploring innovative upgrades that balanced speed, efficiency, and aesthetics. Isabella marveled at Alex's ability to diagnose complex issues with intuition and experience, while Alex appreciated Isabella's understanding of luxury vehicles and the nuances of high-performance engineering. Their working sessions were filled with laughter, debates, and mutual respect. Slowly, a unique friendship blossomed, one built on trust, admiration, and the shared joy of creating something extraordinary together. As summer deepened, their interactions extended beyond mere mechanics. They discovered common interests, late-night drives along the Pacific Coast Highway, discussions about favorite novels and movies, and long conversations about dreams and ambitions. Isabella admired Alex's grounded perspective, contrasting sharply willingness to embrace collaboration. Their bond became a fusion of talent, curiosity, and shared experiences, transforming routine work on exotic cars into an ongoing exploration of innovation, partnership, and the simple pleasure of learning from one another. Isabella reflected on the unexpected lessons this summer had delivered. Talent often resided in places one least anticipated, and humility could accompany brilliance in the most surprising forms. Alex had taught her that dedication, patience, and attention to detail were as vital as wealth and connections. In turn, Alex discovered that opportunities often emerged from stepping beyond comfort zones, embracing collaboration, and trusting in one's abilities. Both realized that success was not merely about accolades or social standing, but about authenticity, skill, and meaningful partnerships. Their summer together became a testament to the value of recognizing talent wherever it lies. By the end of the season, the broken Lamborghini that had caused initial chaos had transformed into a symbol of new beginnings. It represented the convergence of past and present, bridging high school memories with adult achievements. For Isabella, it was a reminder that unexpected friendships could yield profound growth, while for Alex, it illustrated how dedication and humility could open doors previously thought unattainable. The once impossible repair had evolved into a turning point for both, shaping the trajectory of their personal and professional lives. Together, they had turned an engine failure into the beginning of a remarkable journey. Their collaboration continued, expanding beyond the Lamborghini. Alex's reputation grew among Isabella's circles, attracting attention from automotive enthusiasts, collectors, and racing teams. Isabella's trust and endorsement allowed him to work on other high-performance vehicles, showcasing his expertise to an audience that previously would have overlooked him. Despite the increasing recognition, Alex remained grounded, valuing the work itself above the accolades. Isabella supported his integrity, offering guidance without overshadowing his autonomy. Their partnership exemplified a rare synergy between talent and opportunity, blending skill, respect, and friendship into a narrative that inspired admiration throughout their community. By the summer's end, the once awkward reunion between a billionaire heiress and her former classmate had blossomed into a meaningful connection. The broken Lamborghini had served as a catalyst, revealing latent talents, fostering mutual respect, and opening doors to unforeseen possibilities. Their shared experiences highlighted the importance of humility, dedication, and collaboration in achieving success. Isabella and Alex had not only repaired a car, but had cultivated a friendship rooted in trust, admiration, and shared growth. As the sun set over Beverly Hills, the hum of engines and the echo of laughter reminded them both that the summer's trials had led to an enduring and transformative chapter in their lives.